are easy. We make it easy. Technovation. Choose the Lark and you will see.
Hello partners, I am SUPERvea and I am here to guide you as we empower your business through integration of the super amazing all-in-one super app, Lark, where productivity meets innovation seamlessly. Why wait any longer? Let's take a sneak peek and experience with us the super activities prepared by Directed. Let's go! We are here at Ascot Makati, where we have invited some of our partners to witness and explore the superb features of Lark.
Needs. Our solutions exceed fulfilling your needs. We'll be your partner every step of the way, committed to provide a great experience every day.
Favorite part of the program is actually the games. We learn on how to use Lark while having fun.
For me, it's a game, interactive. Yeah. For me, actually, it was the workplace. Kasi nandun na lahat ng mga interactions and even the uploading of the files.
Including yung data ko na browse ko dun, yung mga system na pwede natin gamitin sa unload sa applications.
The feature that we would like to have with Lark is actually the email server capability and then the CRM function of Lark plus the project management.
Easy, technovation. Choose the Lark and you will see. We are easy. We make it easy. Efficient service redefined. Prompt responses always found. We make it easy. We are easy. Technovation.
It was fun, interacting. It was super duper fun.
Super fun, super happy.
So that's it for now partners. This is SUPERvea and let's love work again with Lark. See you at our next Directed event.
At Direct, we make it easy.
We make it easy. We make it easy. We are easy. Technovation. Choose the Lark and you will see.